Hi everyone, I'm Joey Hartman and I teach stamping and paper crafting for stress relief. I think we all need stress relief, no matter if we're a young mom with small children, if we're even a teenager or a college student, or we're retired, and we all deal with some stress. So I like to teach fun through paper crafting and stamping. I'd like to tell you about my Be Creative Club in this video. So every month you get a package of prep supplies for 5 cards. Sometimes one is a 3D project, but usually cards every month. And they're all different, and you and I have everything ready for you to just stamp and assemble your cards. You do need your own stamps and ink if you're not local. I do offer a local class in person for people that live near me. I'm in Lincoln, Nebraska. But if you don't live locally and you still want to get the kits, I mail them to you, priority mail, and you will need your own stamps and ink to create the projects. So I just wanted to let you know a little bit about this coming month. So if you're already in my card club, you might want to not watch, because I am going to show some sneak peeks of the projects that we're going to make this month. We're going to use Cheerful Daisies, and I'll show all that to you in just a few moments. So you get 5 beautiful projects designed by me. You also get a goodie bag valued at about $20 worth, and that's usually things like designer series paper, embellishments, ribbon, things of that sort, of extra products, so you can make more than just your 5 card kits. You get a PDF tutorial with directions and pictures, detailed directions, and a lot of photos so that you can make your own. You know exactly what to do. So that comes with the class. And let's see, what else? I want to make sure I don't forget anything. And then also the PDF tutorial also has a list of supplies that I use, so you'll know for sure what I used. And if you want to be able to get those products, I have links in the PDF too, so you can see exactly what it is, how much it costs, and if you need it or not for your projects that are coming up. After you have been a member of Be Creative Club for 6 months, you get a free gift from me, a $25 gift certificate for any items that you choose. And that's for every 6 months. So 6 months, 12 months, etc. Every 6 months you get a $25 gift certificate. So now, how do you sign up? Well, I'll put a link in you might be seeing this video in email, or you might be seeing it posted on YouTube or my Facebook group. So I will put a link in all of those places so that you can sign up for it, so that you know how to do that. If you want June's club, it's going to be Cheerful Daisies, and you would need to sign up by June 10th, which is coming up here. If you sign up after June 10th, you'll get next month's projects, but you'll still be signed up for automatic renewal, and you can cancel that anytime. There's no obligation to continue it, but just so you know what to expect timing wise. Okay, I'm going to show you what we're using this coming month. So if you're interested, you know what we're going to do. We're going to use the Cheerful Daisies stamp set. So it has all these really pretty dies. It has some sentiments in it, several sentiments. And then these wonderful dies that just make the most beautiful cards. So you've got the outline stamps here that will die cut the images that are in the stamp set, and then you have a label, and then you have lots of extra dies that create daisies and flowers just on their own without the stamps. But I'll show you quickly what we're going to make. So I'll show you quickly. This one has a vellum flower behind it, and this one have a couple of fun folds here, and then this one uses yellow daisies. We've got to have some yellow daisies. This one uses that large die cut with some glimmer paper too. This is a little bit of a fancy fold like that one. This one uses the stamps and the designer paper, and it's a little bit of a fun fold too, not a hard one, but an easy one. And then the last card uses some of the dies and the stamps too. And it's just a regular fold. Well, it opens from the top, but it looks like it might be a fancy fold, but it's just opens from the top. So that's June's kit if you'd like to get it. You can always substitute with any supplies you already have. So if you don't have the Daisy stamp set, but you want the supplies for the cards, you definitely can use whatever you have. And I also let you add on the stamp set or bundle without any tax or shipping. So I pay the tax and shipping when you register for the club and you register to get the bundle or the stamp set, whichever it is. But that's optional. You just add that if you want to. Now, let's see. Oh, so, and then supplies for this month. The colors of inks that I used are Daffodil Delight, Garden Green, Boho Blue, Copper Clay, Moody Mauve, and Lemon Lolly. And again, if you don't have all those exact colors, you can substitute with whatever you have. I do all the die cutting and embossing for you. So for instance, this card, I'll send you this die cut white panel because that die is not in your Daisies bundle. Whereas this one, this die is in your Daisies bundle, so I'll send you the paper for that so that you can die cut it. Or if you're going to use a different bundle that you have instead of that one, then you have the paper to do with what you want to. Anyway, so if you're interested in the Be Creative Club, please reach out to me. Let me know. I would love to have you join us, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.